Yo, what's going on, guys? This is Sam, and I just kind of wanted to give you guys a visual update of what's been going on. So Warden did sell, and we did get rid of it, so you know it's for the best. But what we're dealing with right now is bigger and better things, so you guys stay tuned, and we know we got a lot of plans for it. And it's cold outside right now, so I'm gonna kind of make this short, but just out here doing some filming for YouTube, and wanted to give you guys kind of like a little visual update what we're going to do with that, so show you guys what we're working with. So we're pretty excited about it, and hope you guys stay tuned. What's going on, guys? So we are heading out, do a little road trip. Me and Bryson are going right now to Georgia, somewhere in Georgia. This guy's got a shop, and he's got a set of tires that we've been looking at. And you know, if you guys know us, we're pretty familiar with the Pro Comp tires, but this guy's got a set that he apparently didn't run but for 3 days, I think. So they're pretty much brand new. So we're gonna go see what these are all about. Got a couple hour drive, not too bad. About the ATM, and see what we can do here. Didn't really bring any ratchet straps, but I'm pretty sure the bed's gonna be big enough to carry the tires and close the tailgate, so we should be good there. But giving you guys a little update, show you guys when we stop, I guess up here, going to a gas station or something. But making our way towards Georgia, going towards Atlanta, I think, from Alabama. So let's see here. The sun's kind of going down right now, as you can see behind us. But it's that time of year, you know, the sun goes down a little bit early. It's about 5:30 right now, so it's pretty good in terms of being comfortable and driving and stuff. There's not too much traffic and crazy stuff going on. So probably go up here, get these tires, show you guys what we're getting and what we're getting into, kind of explain it, I guess, a little bit. Get some food eventually, probably on the way back or something, figure out something. Let's just say it rides nice and it handles really well. You know, it's nice and smooth. The electric power steering is really good, nice and tight. There's not really any play, you know, especially for a solid front axle. It's really good for that. Handles nice and well. It doesn't get thrown around very easily. And then also the 8-speed automatic trans, you know, that's also a big thing. You know, you always got torque, always got power and acceleration when you're going up hills, trying to maintain speed and all that good stuff. So I don't know if dropping the tailgate would help with like miles per gallon and aerodynamics and stuff, but I don't know, I might try it. But we won't be able to see the tag. You know, I don't know if cops will be able to see the tags. Currently right now I'm trying to pass an 18-wheeler, and it's not hard at all. It didn't take much, so it's still a 3.6. You know, obviously it's updated and all that good stuff, but with that transmission and everything is nice. The 410 gear ratio, the big brakes, you know, it all makes a difference. So it's doing really good. I'll show you guys here in a second when we'll make a stop. All right, guys, stopping to get some snacks and stuff. Take a little bathroom break. Don't really know where we are, but I know we're halfway. Doing really well. Hardtop, loving the hardtop. You know, driving at a decent speed on the interstate. Feels a lot better, but pretty cool, guys. Gonna go in here, take care of this, and head back on the road. Guys, we are out here, middle of nowhere, taking back roads for about an hour. Don't know where we're at, but GPS says that we're about 10-15 minutes away, so catch you guys here in a sec. As we got them, pull it up, everything worked out great. Put up at the shop and finally made it, but here we are. So this is it, guys. This is what we got. Here they are. They are brand new, actually. They are dirty from sitting in the shop, but yeah, as you can see, same thing we've always had. Pro Comp 40 by 1350 R17. So this is what we're dealing with here, guys, and this is what we're gonna do. So fit in the bed really good. It's really cool seeing that. Using the truck for truck stuff. It's fun times, but we're at Zaxby's right now because we gotta eat, get back on the road. Couple-hour drive, need to get home, but yeah, getting pretty tired here. So good thing is it drives nice, so we don't have to worry about putting too much effort into making the drive back. So all is good. What's going on, guys? I am currently meeting somebody to get some wheels for the Gladiator. So pretty cool Jeep over there. Chief Blue JK, that's awesome. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you guys what we end up getting when we get back to the house. Pulled up here a second ago, just met the guy, exchanged the goods, got the whole deal worked out, and we were back. So this is what we have. These are Method 105 beadlocks. So that'll be a 17 by 9 5x5 bolt pattern, I believe negative 38 offset, 3.5 inch back spacing. So should be the same as ATX slabs, spider locks, KMC machetes, you know, all the main beadlocks. So should work out really well. The rings are painted gray, but that doesn't matter because we're just gonna scuff them up, paint them matte black anyways. And the wheels themselves, we're gonna scuff those up and paint those probably orange to match the body. So gonna pick up some paint match here soon and see how that looks. But consider just mounting them up like this with the black rings, you know, painting the rings black and then doing just the black wheel. But kind of wanting to try something a bit more unique, especially since the Gladiator is pretty fresh right now in the community and all that, and you know, everything is just kind of new. So it'd be kind of interesting and fun to, you know, do something kind of crazy and fun and cool and exciting and all that good stuff. So yeah, these should work really well. Not gonna run wheel spacers, so that'll help out a lot, just because they have the offset that they need. So that'll it'll look pretty cool. But we'll show you guys once we get them on and the process of all that. Been considering what we're gonna do with the fenders, you know, all that good stuff when we lift it, and then the bumper, obviously probably might take that off. But the rear bumper, probably gonna leave the rear bumper just because I mean, it's pretty minimalistic as it is already. It kind of flows nicely, so don't really see a need to change it, and it's not gonna interfere with the tire clearance or anything like that. So it's pretty high and tight. So that's the plans for now. We're gonna start this week and start painting the wheels, start cleaning everything up, and you know, hopefully slap everything on in a weekend, you know, Friday evening after work, and pull it in, do the suspension, all that good stuff. Shouldn't be too hard at all. It's pretty simple. So there's not really gonna be a whole lot to it. And the suspension that we went with, Skyjacker lift, it's not really gonna be the most permanent thing. It's kind of a basic lift. So that'll be, you know, obviously it's not gonna ride the best, but I don't think it's gonna ride the worst. So kind of over time, might replace the shocks with something better, and obviously get better control arms, get like a full control arm kit instead of just the ones that it came with. And also steering and all that good stuff. So I'll kind of explain everything here in a second, but so here we go. Got it here in the back. So what it is, 4.5 inch. So it's a full lift kit. It's got 4 control arms with it. Obviously 4 springs. It's a little dirty from sitting in the shop or whatever the case was, but it should work pretty good for now anyways. Got bump stops, sway bar, link extensions, all that good stuff. Control arms back there. You guys can't really see all that right now. I just wanted to show you guys just kind of like the process of kind of getting it, but I'm gonna get it out of here, put it in the garage, get it all laid out, and give you guys a better look at what we just picked up. All right guys, so here we are, got it all out of the truck and unloaded. So here we have 4 springs. So these are the fronts, 4.5 inches lift height, really beefy on the rear springs. As you can see, they're a lot larger than the fronts are, but bump stops for the front, I'm assuming that would make sense to me anyways. So we have extended sway bar and links. That'll be for front and rear. They are zinc plated, it looks like, so they're kind of gold looking. Rear track bar raised bracket to help accommodate for the axle being off centered once it's lifted, and then a front track bar adjustable. That should already be set pretty close to length for what we'll need anyway, being at this lift height, going on the same vehicle. And obviously 4 shocks, probably, I think they're like monotube. They'll work for now, and they'll have the length that we need. And then obviously right here we have control arms. So I believe these are front lowers, so they're pretty beefy, a little bit longer. And then they got the, I guess the brake line, ABS bracket, bolt right there, whatever that will be for. And rear uppers, I believe, to help achieve the pinion angle that we'll need. Probably gonna look at doing some Terraflex drive shaft joints to kind of help with the angle of things, you know, being at 4.5 inches. Probably need to do something with the drive shafts eventually, being at that height. And we also have the tires in here all stacked up, ready to go, just waiting on wheels here. So got those ready to go. I'm gonna clean those up. Obviously, they're one of our favorite tires. Would like to try something different in the future, but we just keep popping up on deals with these, so it just kind of worked out. Took the opportunity in the moment, so that's what we're dealing with now. And they're still brand new, so you can see the check mark on the tread, so they smell new and all that good stuff, which is cool. You know, you can see right here little knobs on the tread, so that'll be cool. Have everything thrown together at once. All right guys, one more thing on this lift. You know, like I said, Skyjacker 4.5, probably going to be replacing most of it later down the road, but it was cost effective, and the main purpose of it right now is to just get it in the air. So I'm not really sure if Metal Cloak has made their control arms for the Gladiator yet. I'm pretty sure Rockcrawler has. So, you know, possibly looking at them in the near future when we want to, you know, invest and get a little bit better of a ride quality and off-road performance. So the reason why we got this, like I said, it was just cost effective and it works for now. So we'll be able to sell, you know, the parts that we're not going to end up keeping later, and, you know, invest in what we actually want. But, you know, everything's kind of up in the air. Everything's really new and fresh right now, you know, with being the Gladiator just coming out. And, you know, this is just something we wanted to go ahead and get while we had the deal, just to, you know, get things going. So, stepping stone stuff, but springs should be fine. You know, we'll be able to, you know, the bump stops, track bar bracket, sway bar links, all that good stuff will probably be staying. We'll just kind of add on to it all, and, you know, get steel braided brake lines, Synergy steering, whatever brand we're going to end up looking at. So there's a lot to consider, you know, having the wider Daniel 44s there, so we'll have to do a little research on that. But anyways, got the wheels here. I'm gonna be painting probably the insides, like I said, orange to match the body, and then the rings gonna be matte black. So They're already pretty clean, so all I really gotta do is just scuff them up. I do gotta get a tire valve core or valve stem tool to pull the valve stems through the wheels. I gotta see if I have some of those, but we should have all the hardware there, and then all brand new hardware in these boxes, so should be all grade 8 stuff and solid. Out here, just picked up some paint for the wheels out here at Rosar's Paint, and got some color match, so I'll show you guys that high quality stuff, and that should work perfect for us. All right, here we have the paint, guys. It's back at the house, and it looks like that field marker paint that you spray on the football field. It's kind of funny, but I never had anything like this color before. Always wanted orange on a Jeep, but here we have the can. You can see the test color right there. It's gonna be pretty unique. It's got the pumpkin, Chrysler, PE4, SE4, and this is a big can, 8.4 ounces. It's a pretty decent sized can, so a lot larger than the Mopar touch-up spray cans. It's a lot better quality too, so the quality of the paint's going to be really nice and thick, and already have a little bit of gloss to it, so we'll just be able to spray on and go. But got them out here laid up for paint, so I sanded them down and pressure washed all the sanding dust, all the cracks and crevices. So from the little bit of light, you can kind of tell that they're kind of roughed up pretty good. Definitely did my best to get all the main surfaces. It's a little wet still, a couple of drops of water. Just blew it out with a electric leaf blower, so I'm gonna get a rag now and wipe them all dry, start laying down some paint, and show you guys that here in a little bit.